If you are sourcing for Australia, it's not about the lowest price anymore. It's about speed, compliance, and customer work without headaches. Look at the market. Brands like Smiggle win with identity. Kiki shows design and finish matter. Apple shows the trends change faster. Officeworks sets the exception for steady supplier. For buyers, the hard part isn't choosing a style. It's keeping everything under control. MOQ, lead time, and space. And making sure packaging, labels, and documents are always ready for audit. At Line Paper, we help you build private label notebooks and planners the clean way. Clear sampling steps, tight material control, real checking points during production. Need FSC paper options and files for compliance. We can support that too. Selling retail, we can help with shelf-ready packaging. Send your spec, MOQ, timeline, and requirement. We will supply with material, sampling steps, packaging options, and a real production plan.